The magic mirror skin analyzer machine. How to operate this machine? First of all, we need to set up the Wi-Fi. Yeah, pull down and to find the insert button here to set up the Wi-Fi. Okay, when you set up, it's we will go to the next step. Okay, here we enter and see the first page, which is called customer information page, including the name and the gender and age and the telephone number and email address. So now, for example, I will make it. For example, your name is TT, and your gender is female. Your age, for example, 1992, and here is very important for the age, the year. Later, the data will compare the database basis on this year. Okay, and the telephone number to remind your clients to fill it, and the email address. For example, next enter the email address. Okay, now and let's go next to keep it. Okay, and you see the lights will be on, the straight line here, and you see the screen here. Some sample. As example, to use my finger to touch this stick and press this scanning button, and wait for 30 to 1 minute. And later we'll see the results. Here I have 3 lines. We use RGB, PL, UV. These 3 to text the different layer of the skin. Okay, now already have the result. Already scan finished, and you can adjust, and please avoid some like eyebrow and hair, or even the lips and the nose and the clit. Okay, and keep it and confirm and go next. Here, wait also 30 minutes, 30 seconds. We have the 10 analyzed items, including moisture, oil, texture, pigmentation, pore, and acne, and SMC area, etc. So all the data now sent to the crop data and compare the same gender and the same age, and later we'll get the data from the database. So wait in a little moment. And this part here, okay, the first picture have, okay, this one the texture. Here we can see the exactly what we take. The face, if suppose the face here, we can analyze under this line to see some problem, and here the score. If the score more higher, this facial problem is this item will be better. And if you want to see the worst, if your clients don't know what is good, what is or not, or is worst, you can compare like this one. Is the worst one, and this one the better one, the best one, and this one is the worst one. So same like this, we can choose any analyze items and analyze one by one. For example, here in this page also we have a 3D function. For example, it's the acne. We use the 3D, press this one, and choose any area you want to analyze, and press 3D again. And here we'll have some the skin photo, and see something problem very obviously. Okay, if we go back, okay, and press the next button, and here you will see the skin age here, and if elder than just now 1992, it means only 28 years old, 28 years old. But now 33 means the skin problem is more serious. And here at 3, the skin type to show dry and dry skin, oily skin, and mixed like a mixed dry and oily. Here we can see very quickly to what kind of color, and like here the skin photo types at 6 levels. From this is the report. The first part of report we call the radar analyze index. 10 items we will compare which one are the most worst. The more after the round, it means the better, but the more inner is more worst. Like here is the moisture and the oil. So here you see the moisture and oil need to care option. It means the worst. You see this color red. Okay, more inner is more worst. So, and this is the second part of the report. Here you can see compare with your average age, average score. For example, your moisture get score is 54, but the average score is 67. So this one you need to take care. And same like this, but like a texture is better than average score. So here all other item in fact is okay, but these two need more important to take care, to pay attention. The last part is the care option. Here this machine will give you some suggestion and avoid. Here you can see something like some tips how to care about your daily care. And here this the important results, how can cause the oil problem and any some skincare distraction. These two are the worst one. If you want to get the full report, later you can get. And later you see this the last page for product recommendation, and here the delivery button will deliver it. And you will access and get the full report from the email address. Okay, and later you see this the last page for product recommendation, and here the delivery button will deliver it. And you will access and get the full report from the email address.